last tutorial we was able to get the GPS location and other data on the MQTT server. Here on MQTT Explorer you can see the data, but I made some correction in the format. Earlier for each data there was a dedicated topic, but now I am getting all the data under GPS data as a JSON. You can see here latitude, longitude, date, time and everything is there. Some correction I had made in the code, you can see here, just parsing the enemy string and then putting those data, the variables in JSON object, and these are JSON keys on latitude, longitude, date, time, altitude, speed, everything I have added, created the JSON payload, and then I sent it as a MQTT message. And then you can see here I had sent it under the topic track DEV1 GPS data. And right now the device is outside of my house, so that we can get a proper GPS fixation. And after that you can see continuously data is coming on MQTT mosquito server. Now the next thing is to get all the data on Traccar, but the problem with Traccar is that it do not support the MQTT. So to do this, what I have did is I have created a Python script on my server. And what that Python script does is it subscribes to the topic, and whenever the GPS data is sent from my ESP32 module to MQTT server, a callback is initiated here, and then it handles all the data and create a get API and then pings it via that API. What it does, it passes the value. You can see latitude, longitude, the device ID, which must be unique for every device, and the speed. You can see here it creates a URL and it pings it and then gets the response. And if it get response 200, it means it successfully sent the data, and this thing continuously goes on. And you can see here also I have converted the format to, you can see here the data is latitude and longitude in other format. Then I have to convert it into degrees format. That's why there is a code that converts it and then pushes the data. And you can see every time it fetches the data, it just create a URL and hit that one and send the value to Traccar. Here you can see the current location. It is showing my actual location. I have verified it, so with every moment it will register it. You can look into it, it will draw my movement. And then here you can see the speed, accuracy, latitude, longitude, other things. If you add to it, it will show those here too. So the distance I have traveled is 00. You can make more devices. In that device you have to set the identifier. This Tracecar is open source web application. You can get it from their website, Tracecar. And you can see here this is GPS tracking software. You can either get their subscription of tracking account, tracking server or professional service. You can whatever you want, or you can just have your portal by setting the complete software on your own server. Like here I have hosted this one on my own server. You can do it self hosting, which is totally free since it is open source. Or if you don't want to go on all those things, you can get their service, and its service is not too costly. So it's all up to you. So I have hosted it on my private server. So here you can see there is preferences, notifications. If you want to set, this is my account, or you can have your another account, any number of devices you can have. geofencing you can create. So whenever your device go beyond the allocation, it will give you notification, and as per that notification you can take the actions. Groupings, the drivers, you can add the driver and assign those devices to that specific driver. Tracecar also provides the code for Android application or iOS application, and you can give those applications to your drivers too. So there is calendars for all the timing related things, maintenance, saved commands if you want to send it to devices. So other stuffs are there. So the variables you want to handle, locations, permissions and all. And also if you want to have any different graph, you can have that too. A number of different kind of graphs options are there, you can get them. So a lots of it's all up to you. You can see here open sea map, open railway map, weather cloud. Like if I choose Google traffic, I have to provide the Google API key, and I can add the other stuffs too. So this is good, but the only problem here is it do not support the MQTT. So I created my own script to handle all these things. If you need these codes and all, you can just comment and I will provide it to you. And thank you.